We just bought this 2020 4Runner, Toyota 4Runner, about a couple months ago, and we were doing a couple little things, you know, to make it look better and whatnot. We got the black overlay kit, which goes over like the TRD Pro, the Toyota emblems, and then like on the rear the 4Runner. I'll just show you how to put on like maybe one of the emblems, and then I'll go around and do all of them, and then show you the before and after photos, so then that way you can see what it looks like before, what it looks like after. And we're also going to be doing some, you know, other little odds and ends on the 4Runner, and I'll film those as well. So stay tuned, be right back. Alrighty, so these are the emblems, and they come in this, you know, nice little package and separated into little pieces. I got these off Amazon. It was like $165. Put the link in the description. Like I said, I just got them off Amazon. So these are supposedly OEM, but it's a nice hard plastic, so not rubber or anything. So I'm gonna take them out and then I'll show you a little bit closer what they look like. So this is what they look like. Like I said, a hard plastic. And then on the back, it's just double-sided tape. You just peel that off and stick it right on, and I'll show you how to do that on one of them as well. You want to clean this off before you put the stickers on, just to make sure you get all the dust and dirt and everything off of it. I'm just using like an alcohol wipe, but you can use glass cleaner also. Alright, and then you're going to want to peel the sticker off. Just peel it, peel it. All you got to do is peel it. Then you got to lay it. And then you just stick it on. And voila, looks better already. Looks better already. Don't mind my singing, I'm tone deaf, but I was trying to go with the Michael Jackson sound. So if you got it, great. If not, I'm sorry, and I'm an idiot. So now I'm gonna go take pictures of all around, so you can see what it looks like. So the 4Runner looks so much better already, just with the black emblems. We also already got the front black emblem from a friend of ours. So the first picture of the 4Runner isn't going to show the front because, like I said, we already had the black emblem, so we couldn't really have a before and after, but it totally looks so much different. Something as little as just those black emblems make things look so much better. And like tinted windows, honestly. Now here in Arizona, you can buy cars tinted windows already. So I think it's like kind of standard, but gotta get them tinted. So that's all for this video, but thanks for watching, guys. Bye.